piece pieces to go in these windows. Brand new Marvin windows. This is how I think every window should be installed. A lot of guys get close. I don't think very many get it right. Completely right, I think. Look right here. So this is an older construction, but new windows. We don't want, if there's a leak, and there's not going to be with these Marvins, but let's just say they were a cheapy window from a big box store, whatever. More than likely, at some point, a seal is going to fail. At some point, right? Well, guys, it doesn't take that long to keep everything dry, even if there's a failure. I made these taper, not if, but when water gets in. These go in. Lord Lee, I cut this one a little long. These go in easy breezy, just like that, and they nail in. And guys, I'm going to show you, well, so what happened, these windows did fail at one point. Look at that. I had to cut that out, that bottom seal. Look at all this water damage here. This isn't bad enough, but that was. Over there, it's a little bit of water damage. But that's rotten, guys. That's just right. Anyway, so you know that's hurting that whole, the integrity of that whole wall. Water gets in. But you guys are going to watch this. So water gets back here, it's going to flow to the outside. So what else I'm going to do is use this roofing underlayment. This is vinyl siding, guys. Got these points in this J trim right here. They're going to leak. We're going to put this in just a minute, up underneath here, across, like that, all the way down to the bottom. And it is going, any water that gets in here, it's just going to be another protection. We're going to do this first, then we'll have our house wrap. We're going to have our flashing tape in here, windows in, taped up. Guys, it's going to be beautiful. I'll show you how that works. Let's do it. All right, guys, got our underlayment on. You see we got the watershed right all the way to the bottom, all the way up here. I'm going to show you in a minute this tape, flex tape we're going to put in here. But first we got to do house wrap. So let's get it on. Catch up with you guys in just a minute. All right, guys, we got our house wrap on. I've got one window cut out, our house wrap. Guys, this is what we want it to look like right here when everything is said and done. I'll have to do the flex tape in a minute, Laura Lee. We'll show them in a minute how that's going to work. It all needs to be cut straight across at the top. I'm going to show you over here. And then you cut a little angled piece and fold that top up like that. And this flange, look right here, Laura. This flange right here, this top nailing flange needs to nail flat onto that up at the top. Okay. And then you'll let that over it, and then you'll tape that. Oh, it'll all be beautiful. So anyways, come on. Hey, I've gotten this wrong in the past too. I want to try to do things right, you know, when I can. What that is right there, but look, come right there. We want to come straight across like that. You want to find, just guess at middle, guys. Right here, guess at middle. All the way down like that. I'm going to do a little angle like that. Little angle like that. You could take your little stapler and you could staple it, but gosh, golly, I'm about to set these windows. This tape, it's not like it's going to have to sit here all night. I'll just do a couple. I could probably just do one piece of tape just to get it up out of my way. No big deal. No big deal.
Sure is a pretty day.
All right, easy breezy. And then the bottom, golly, guys, we're just gonna cut it straight across, fold these sides back, staple them, And then we're about to put this flashing in, this flex seal, this flex flashing, whatever that's called, made by DuPont. We like it. We liked it a lot. We used it on our house, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
You remember us putting that in?
I do.
That was fun, wasn't
Oh, it was so fun.
Straight across, guys. There's no need in going back. Not when you see what I'm about to use down here. Anyway, I'm gonna pull that tight. I'm gonna pull that back there and staple it. We're gonna get this flex flashing.
That's a mouthful.
Flex flashing, and I'm gonna show you how that's gonna work, guys.
Woohoo!
Be right back.
Stay tuned.
All right, guys. We got this other opening cut out. Here's our product. This is the magic for these bottoms to keep your, well, not the magic. It's like a pan, but it is a sure enough fix to any potential water leaks. It's gonna, with this angled seal that I've got, plus this, any water gets here, oh my gosh, it's gonna run all the way out. We're all protected all the way to the ground, guys. Man, you just can't hardly beat it. Now this is bad sticky. Did we see this flex wrap? DuPont flex wrap.
Yes.
And it's sticky now. Ooh, you think I can do it, Laura Lee?
I know you can.
Without it sticking to itself?
I think you can.
All right, so what you want to do is about 6 inches up. I've already got a mark. I'm back about 4 inches. You want about 2 inches sticking out. So I've got a little mark. It's a nothing about nothing. Well, look right here. I'm just going to guess at about center, right? And bam.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to ease it down just like that.
Good job. Look at it.
Just like that, guys. Okay,
Nice.
look right here. So this is the cool part. Okay, look, tuck that in. We're gonna tuck this in right here. Man, that's gonna be beautiful, right? But here's what's cool about this product. Watch this. I'm just gonna pull it down like that, all the way across. Pull it down. See that, guys? But watch this right here, how that just flex. Well, they call it flex. Our paper's blowing away. Oh, it's windy today and
Sure is.
cold. And then this pulls around, flexes around.
Still a beautiful day, but it's chilly.
But guys, look, I mean, there's no seams, there's no cuts, there's no nothing. That's why I love this stuff. You just pull it, stretch it, and you're gold. Now, they don't give this stuff away. That's high, but I believe in it.
Did you order it on Amazon?
I did. I ordered
Very
on
good.
Amazon, but
Very good.
I don't do the links in the description thing very well, do I?
No, that's okay.
But
We'll
yeah,
hash-
DuPont flex wrap, find it on Amazon all day. You think we'll ever have a store?
Yeah, probably. One day. Maybe.
You think? All right, guys, there you go, man. We're ready to set a window.
Look
Now,
at that.
I don't have all of my level, my nails. I need to put a tool belt or tool vest on and all the things. But let me get all that, get suited up, and we're gonna hang this window. There you go. All right, guys, so, you know, we had our paper up here. Got our window in, it's plumb level, all nailed off, and we're good to go on the window. So I had this taped up here. Now you just let that down over that top fin. Now that paper was on down here, and I cut it up about a ½ inch up on that nailing fin right there. So when we put our tape across that top, it'll have a place to stick to right there. And guys, it's just, all you want to do is tape the 3 sides. This zip tape works great. Man, they make all kinds of flashing tape. It's a roll and you peel the back and all the things, but this right here it's an amazing flashing tape. So look, I've got my slit for that top. I just come up to the top of that slit. Easy breezy.
And the reason you don't tape the bottom is?
Yeah, guys, Oh my gosh, I see so many times. Oh my gosh, these guys tape the bottom. What they're doing is they're trying to air seal it. And oh, that's going to keep the air out. But what's going to happen is if a seal breaks, it's not about, oh, it'll never leak. If a seal fails and water gets in behind this window, it can't get out. If you tape that right there, it's going to stay in there. See, I've got all this flex wrap here is going to waterproof it, but you got to let that water out. We will air seal on the inside. That's easy enough. We caulk the inside where the window meets that seal. Anyway,
There you go.
it just, every time I drive by new construction and see that the bottom is taped, like these guys have just got it wrong. They're not worried. I don't know if they don't think about it. Boy, this is some sticky tape right here, Laura Lee.
Yeah, it is, baby.
Okay, here's one thing. Guys, you guys use zip tape, you already know this, to roll it. Roll it out, baby.
Oh,
Anyway, let's get this other side, and then we'll do the top, guys, and that's about it. But don't tape the bottom. Don't tape the bottom. That's the main thing. A lot of people tape these sides. Most people do these days. I notice on new construction. Boy, this is some sticky stuff.
gotta love that.
We like this.
So what you're using there is a zip system, flashing tape.
You got it. We like it. I could probably use a knife and cut that. I like to just let it run wild down here. Just as
Very
easy, isn't it,
easy,
right there?
sure.
Okay, so now let's do
Sure.
the top. And we're going to come all the way over here like that. And right down, all the way down right there. And this is majorly going to air seal it. We've already got our waterproofing in. Just like that, Laura Lee.
Looks good.
And see, this over here can run wild too. That can run wild, but that's beautiful right there. That right there. We will roll it.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
I hear you. And that's that on that. All right,
That
guys.
rolling makes a big difference.
It does. It mashes that right in there.
Especially on your flex wrap that you put in earlier.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because sometimes it has that little, just a little spot, so you just roll it. Works great. That's the key, rolling it after you put it on. Okay, guys. That's how I'm going to recommend to install a new window. Old building, new building, it doesn't matter. Do the slanted seal board, flex wrap, tape, and there you go. Flashing tape, and you're good to go. Do not tape the bottom.
Last a long time.
Very long time. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
See ya.